Hi, in today's class, we are going to create some PHP pages so that we can upload some files, some images from our desktop, from our computer, up to the server. So in this case, your local server, which would be on MAMP or WAMP. And then later grabbing these images, these files, and displaying them on another page. Okay, so step by step we'll do this. So just follow along. We're going to begin by going to PHP and in your database boss. So we'll continue adding to the boss website. So for our class activities, we're going to do the boss website, and then for our assignments, we'll keep adding to the Kona. So in our boss, we are going to create a new table. So go to database boss and then go down here, create new table. And the new table will be called images. And the column will just have 2 columns and go. Okay, so the first one would be ID. And we'll leave it as integer and then 2 for length. And then we will go to, sorry, not attributes, but to, oh, where am I? Oh, to index. There we go. So go to index, click on primary, go. And then click on AI, which means auto increment. And then the next line, go to name and character and go to 55. And then we're good to save. Okay. So now here we have our images table with a column for ID, which is auto increment, and a column for name. All right, so now let's hop on over back to Dreamweaver, and I would like you to go to File, New, and create a new PHP page. And let's call that Upload Form. Okay, and that will be in your boss WAMP, right? I'm just gonna go to just code. All right, so if you go over here to, there we go. So if you go over here to course documents, today's folder, and go to PHP code, you will find upload form here. Okay, so this is just the HTML markup for form. Okay, this form has an action which calls for upload.php. So it calls to get this upload.php page later on. So, but don't worry, we'll create that page later on and put the code in there. Okay, but for now, we're gonna go to upload form and copy that code to create a form. All right, and let's go put it in here. Okay. And go File, Save. Right, so when I go to, when I go here to localhost upload form.php, I have a form that looks like this. So select image to upload, and then I would go select an image to upload, and then I'll upload it. Once I click upload, it's going to go look for the upload.php file, but I haven't created that yet, so let's go do that. So, okay, so File, New, and PHP, okay, and we'll call this upload, right, and then save. Okay. Now let's go over to PHP code and go to upload, and let's copy all that, and I'll explain to you what's in there. Okay, copy, and then go to Dreamweaver here and edit, paste. Okay. All right, so what we have here is we're attempting to connect with the MySQL server. Okay, and here we have our here we have our localhost, our login name, our password, and then the name of our database. All right. So if we can't connect, then they'll have an error message and say cannot connect. All right, and then here we have some code to check if the image that you uploaded is an actual image or a fake image, if not an image. Okay, and here we have some code to check if the file already exists, so you are not allowed to upload the same image twice. Okay, and you also have to check for file size if it's too large. And then here also allows only for certain file formats. So note here that you are setting it up so you can only upload JPEGs, PNGs, or JPEGs spelled the other way, and GIF files. Okay, and if anything else is uploaded, it'll say only JPEG, PNG, and GIF files are allowed. All right. And if the file was not uploaded, it will say, sorry, your file is not uploaded. All right, and then it closes the connection. So it's basically what it's doing here is uploading your file and then letting you know when it is not uploaded. And there are a few conditions. So if the image file is too big, if it's not an image file, if it's the wrong image file extension, then in those cases it won't submit. Okay, it won't upload. And here I have another thing that I added, another code block that I have added, which is an attempt to insert the name of the image name. Okay, so images is our table, and then the name is the column name, right? So I'm attempting to insert the image's name into, the image's name here, the name that was uploaded, into our images table, into the name column, which would be this one here. Okay, so the one that we just created, this images table into the name column, I am attempting to upload. So insert the name of the file. So for example, if the name of my file is chair.jpg, then chair.jpg, when I upload it on this page, the name of that file also goes into this table. All right, so I'll do some real life examples so it makes more sense. All right, so before we get started, I would like you to do one thing, which is to go to your class folder and download chair images folder. So click on it. Okay, and then I'd like you to download it. And once it's downloaded, I'd like you to kind of have it on your desktop or leave it in your downloads folder. Okay, so let's go over here in your downloads folder. You should have chairs. And then you should extract it. Okay, so let me just clean some things up here. Okay, so here I have downloaded chairs folder, and I would like you to right click and then extract all and extract it. And now here we have the chairs folder. Okay, so we'll take a look at this and then we'll upload this and see what happens. All right. All right, so far you have created upload form.php and you have created upload.php. You've just copied and pasted the text that the code that I provided for you in PHP code. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go test it. All right. Oh, just one more thing before we test it is that you have to go into your Boss Web folder and create a folder called Uploads, right? So just right click and create a folder called Uploads. Okay. And right now in the folder called Uploads, it will be empty.